What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. We are back. We took a little bit of a break, but we're back with some Tacoma installs. Today's install is going to be a little bit more on the safety side, and I'm super excited because this is the perfect time. If you guys are new to this channel, my name's Philip, and we actually bought this Tacoma off auction. We did a full rebuild. It was wrecked. We got it back to stock, and then we just started having fun with the upgrades, getting it ready for overland and off-roading and a lot of camping. So once again, welcome. Hit that subscribe button for me because we're just getting started. So let me show you guys what we got here. We got the catalytic converter shields. They come in the kit. We got the driver's side and the passenger side. It comes with some hardware as well, some security screws with the bit so people can't just easily take it off. And then also, these are super nice. You can tell by the quality. These are stainless steel. And what's the best part about this is that it doesn't require any drilling or welding. This is direct bolt-on. We just got to loosen a couple screws and slide these in. Also, these are compatible with most skid plates on the market. Cali says they're about 99% compatible with most skids. So that's pretty awesome. Whenever we decide to get a skid plate, that's going to be really easy. But without further ado, let's go ahead and throw these on. And as always, link is going to be in the description for these if you want to cop yourself some, as well as anything that you will see on my truck is going to be in the description down below. But let's get started. All right, there we go, guys. Super easy bolt-on install. We got the passenger right here. We got the driver. Looks super nice underneath here. Now I kind of want to get a skid plate to make it look nicer. but this looks sweet. Nobody's gonna steal my cat or eat them, so we are good to go. Looks awesome. Thanks, Cali Raised. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Super easy one today. And again, if you guys are interested in getting yourself these catalytic converter shields, the link will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.